So if you want to be a DevOps engineer, you must have these skills like Pythons and all those things. But the most important skills or I think language is Python because Python do automations. With the help of Python, we will do some kind of scripting at the server side, at the backend side, all the sides. Okay. So let's start from the here. Which first skills as a DevOps engineer you have to need to be learned. Okay. So let's go in our screen. So there are so many things like first we will tell you that Linux. Here base Linux command. In this Linux command, there are lots of command which help you by networking that connecting the all the ports with the server with virtual server. Okay, with virtual server. Okay, like AWS, Azure, and Google GCP. I think so. Okay, this first thing Linux. Second most important thing for be a DevOps is you have to knowledge about Git and GitHub and GitLab also, because there are so many repository to when a developer getting the code, make an application, make a website, there are lots of code, there are repository uploading there. Okay, third is about Chef. I think Chef is a old version, there is always having updating tools, so I think Chef is a good amount of today's tech world. The next is about a Docker. I think it is always a best for making containerizations and all this stuff as being a DevOps engineer. Last but not the least, for monitoring. What is mean by monitoring? It's means as simple as there are so many traffic in your website or in your application, then what happen, uh, the particular server are crash. So for the safety reason, monitoring is always be there. Last but not the least, Python. This is the first priority to be a DevOps engineer, and Python only scripting, not like all just like a, for being a data scientist, all like lambda functions as we are all the numerological way. But yes, for scripting, Python is necessary. There are other tools for monitoring is just like Grafana. Yes, I will also write here Grafana. This all tools as being a DevOps engineer is needed. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. So get it over it.